Most investors screen stocks in two ways, either fundamentals or technicals. But over a journey of 6 years in the stock market, I have developed a system that includes both. So, and this the system is like first the technicals, and then there is a scoring which I give to every stock based on the fundamentals. That removes emotions from entering any stock. So today I am going to take you through my stock picking journey. First, the technicals part. I always screen the stocks based on technical parameters because I believe that every fundamental investor make one mistake. They buy the stock and hold them for a long period. Maybe they buy great companies, but at a wrong time. And price and value are two different things. So although they have bought it at a better value, but maybe the price is not going anywhere for certain times. So my belief is that if a stock is picked at a right time and at a right price, so that gives a better outcome. That is, you get better returns based on the technical parameters. The next thing I see is I screen the stocks based on multiple time frames, because I believe that if any stock can be bearish in the daily time frame, but can be bullish in the weekly time frame. So the multiple time frames gives a confirmation for the stock when all the time frames are aligned in the same direction. Like if the stock is bullish, so all the time frames should confirm that, and if the stock is bearish, so all the time frames should confirm that. After that only the entry and exit can be done. The next thing I look at is after the technicals, I look at the fundamentals part. So I score the fundamentals based on the criteria that I have defined already, and within the fundamentals I look at the valuation ratios, the return ratios, the shareholding pattern, and the P&L statements of different companies which are technically screened. And if I have also defined a threshold limit, like there is a minimum limit after a minimum scoring limit, after which only the stock can be entered. And if that limit is not reached, then the stock is in the focus list only. It doesn't come to my watch list. This way, this the fundamental scoring thing which I do, it allows me to screen the stocks practically, or rather I would say mechanically and not emotionally, because I see that there are many investors who invest in stocks based on the excitement rather than evidence. Yeah. And why I follow both these methods is I believe that timing is everything in stock market, and with technical screening I get the stocks at better timing. I could invest in the stocks at better timing. And with fundamentals, it stops me buying from buying due to excitement, and I have a proper conviction in the stock, so that fundamentals allows me to do so. And what this means for you is like you can always follow this pattern, but your risk and your what you call your appetite and your capital management will always differ from mine. So you should always think in a way like that technicals are always a leading indicator if than the fundamental indicators, because technicals you see that the price changes in minutes, and when it comes to fundamentals you get to know what the company is doing after 3 months, as the results are out after in each quarter. So you get a bit lagging there. So yeah, that's my theory based on the technical and fundamental analysis. And maybe you can do your own research and make your own scoring sheet, so that you will get to screen the stocks in a better way. I am Shubamm Agrawal. I am a full-time investor. Thank you.